It's a full restoration, frame-off restoration of a 1988 Suzuki LT500R. Dr. Q exhaust, custom swing arm to accept the Banshee carrier, custom six-pack rack, custom seat, relocated ignition switch, LED headlight, custom A-arms +1, Alka shock 17 inches, Meyer plastics, streamlined brake lines, has YC 450 dual caliper pistons, LTZ 400 spindles, anti-vibe risers, see them in there, look pretty good. Polished engine, streamline +3 brake line, DWT wheels, and an LED brake light, tail light brake light, which is peeling because it's Chinese crap.